Hi everybody, welcome back to MD Fly Fishing. Well, today was forecast light winds, blue skies, with a slight... I'm a liar, aren't I? Roll the intro. Myself and Miguel, we met up about 8:30 at Pennine. We knew it was going to be windy and we knew there was a chance of rain, so we were dressed accordingly, but it didn't half hit at points. Made it absolutely impossible to fish. But this is part of the morning session. Again, I tried some of my little blobs. They weren't working. I don't think they could get down. The wind was blowing the line all over the place. So I needed something with a bit of weight. So I went on to an intermediate and my faithful little leeches. So that was the first of a few that got off the hook. The aim of today was to travel light. Everything was in my pockets, net was on my back, and I had 2 rods with me. This place I was fishing from, good advantage. I could fish straight out, fish to the left, fish to the right. There wasn't a lot of fish actually showing on the surface. That's why I went for an intermediate, getting it down. In fact, I think they were even lower than that. Miguel had been midweek and he had some really nice fish on my olive leeches. So as I said, it was a case of moving around. Stayed in this area for about 20 minutes and then I decided to go on the opposite side. There was only about 10 of us there, but because of the wind we were all like shackled on one area. The dam wall was basically vacant at one point because the wind was just going straight in your face. So I switched onto a floating line, 14-foot leader, got one of my Ryburn beaded spiders, because it worked here last time. As I say, it's only about 8 foot deep here. A few fish were showing, cast it out in towards the reeds. Hey presto, fish took it. But it snapped me straight away and it was the only beaded spider I had with me. Never mind. Well, the weather was getting worse, the wind was getting stronger. The rain, it wasn't too bad. As I say, I brought my coat and my pants and everything, so we were doing really well and I was nice and warm. During the making of this video, I'd had a message from Miguel because he stayed a little bit longer than I did and he'd lost a really good fish only a couple of weeks ago. And today he did the same. It just spat the hook. Poor lad's not going to get a double. I stayed in this area though for a little while and it just became too difficult to cast. I'd even gone on to an apps, stripping it back. It just wasn't working. So again, pack up and move. So I moved onto the eastern bank, back onto the intermediate line, back onto the leeches, and I was letting it sink lower and lower. I was using different retrieves. I was doing roly-poly, stripping it 12-inch, 6-inch, even figure-eighting it. Miguel was using a slow figure-eight before I got there and had a good fish on it. Funny thing is, we took shelter in the cabin when it really got bad. And I was talking to Steve about a refund and do we get a free ticket for... He went this really strange red colour and I nearly had to call an ambulance at one point. Gonna stick at this. I only had a 4-hour ticket. I'd already lost about 3 fish. I needed something to take home to prove I'd been fishing. As I say, don't expect to come here and catch every time. Something's got to happen, hasn't it? It's got to. I can't blank. And then it happened. Holy guacamole. This one's staying on. Strangest thing is, the fish took on the drop. After all the figure-eighting, 6-inch strips, stripping it completely, roly-poly, this fish I hooked just letting the leech drop through the layers of water. The weather forecast was going to be bad. We knew that on Friday when I booked, but the wind was our biggest problem today for any fly fisherman. But I thoroughly enjoyed my day out because this is what it is. These are my days out. It's better than sitting at home. But anyway, thanks very much for watching everybody. Short video. Leeches proved the day. I think the new blobs I put on the community page, I think they'll come into their own once the water gets a little warmer, but they will get an outing. I did try them for a short period of time. They didn't work and I wasn't going to sit there all day and waste valuable fishing time. I only had 4 hours. But anyway, again, thank you much for watching and I'll catch you all later.